Hi and welcome everyone, Daniela here again, and today I want to show you my latest layout created with the March kits. I use the papers and the embellishments and the cardstock kit, and this is a sketch inspired layout. So this is the sketch I worked with, and you see that in the sketch we have two pictures, but I will stick with only one picture and a big tag to replace the second picture. So first of all, I pick my papers and I want to find some matching colors for my picture, and this is why I grab three different colored papers and one black and white one, and I just want to have these paper stripes as a background. In the sketch we have a lot of stripes. I will only have these four papers, so whenever you're working with a sketch, you can just make some adjustments, just like that it fits your style and that you feel comfortable with it. But I think they are always um, a great way to get some inspiration. When I saw the sketch, I knew exactly that I wanted to have these paper stripes on top of the page, and then just another one at the bottom. And this is my first layer here. I have these four papers, and then I have this one at the bottom, and you see that I cut the stripe in a way that I also have the manufacturer stripe peeking through, so there is another little yellow spot, and now I can just add some tags. So you see that I replaced the second picture here with a big tag, and I also want to have some sewing yarn here in the little tab. And I think that adding those is a nice way to add some more details, and I also wanted to choose three of them. Three always is a good number for all kinds of embellishments. And so this is the basis for everything that follows. So I also want to add the flowers, of course. We have flowers in the sketch, and I'm working with the floral die cuts now, which are so pretty, and just placed them under the picture. And I cut apart one of those so that I can have some flowers here in the back as well, because I only had a few left. I used tons of them on all my other projects as well, since they are so pretty. And this is really an easy way to add a lot of dimension and a lot of colors and details here, because the flowers are just they come in big shapes, and then we also have those tiny ones, and I just spread some of them here around the cluster, and this way I even have more dimension and more details. And this is something that I like doing a lot. So not quite sure about this yellow one, but I think here is a good place. And now I want to build my title, and those layered foam stickers are just awesome. They also have some glitter on top. So these stickers are really, really great. And the first part of my long title, so in the sketch it says add a long title here, I used the word sweet, since the picture is documenting my son's way of making cotton candy. And he, as you can see, he just put on sunglasses and is wearing a mask, because he is always a bit afraid of being burned. And this is his way of protecting of protection, and I think this is kind of sweet. And cotton candy also is sweet, so this is the perfect title for my picture here. And you see that I combine the big foam stickers with the alphabet stickers that come in the kit. The light blue is really such a pretty color, and it also matches the light blue paper or cardstock I have chosen. Light blue is something that occurs all over the page in tiny bits and pieces. So we have yeah, a good color combination here, even though we have a lot of different colors. And yeah, now I just want to fix those flowers, and you see that I'm using 3D pads for the one flower that I place on top of the cluster to have a 3D element. And yeah, now I can just see what else I want to add. I'm going for those glittery dots that we find on the two sheets of foam stickers, and just spread them here around the cluster as well. And then first of all I thought maybe I add some puffy stickers, but then I felt that it would be too much, so I just add some of those phrases that are also included in the die cut pack with all the tags and tabs and those phrases, and spread some of them here around the picture as well. And these are a nice way of adding some information or some details. And yeah, now I can just add my journaling, and then I can show you my finished version. So you see, working with a sketch is quite easy. We offer new sketches every month, and they always match the current kit. So working with those is really easy and makes your scrapping process smooth. And yeah, they are a great way of inspiration. This is what my layout turned out like in the end. I hope you like my way of using the sketch. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.